All right, what is up everyone? Here is how you can choose a custom color for text in Canva. So what we're going to want to do here is we are going to create a design up at the top left, and I'm just going to make a new YouTube thumbnail, and I'm going to add some text here just by clicking add text box. We're going to make this a little bit larger so we can see it. And there we go, right in the center. So normally when you go here, you see that there are only the default colors available. And let's say we don't want to use any of these fonts or these colors. What we're going to want to do is up at document colors, we can just click add a new color, and we can search through here for any color we want. Let's say we want like a pastel blue. We just go up to the left here, and now our font is a pastel blue. You can also use this color picker to pick any color from your design, or you can actually type in the color code there. So yeah, that is how to upload or use a custom color in Canva. Do not subscribe to me, but leave a like and comment for the algorithm. Thank you very much and have a good day.